going to go over the breadboard. It's important because, well, in the old days, if we had a component like this, a resistor, and we wanted to connect it to a wire, we'd have to twist it and stuff, and it'd be very difficult, or you could glue it together using soldering. But and if you made a mistake, you'd have to untwist it, or you could unsolder it, and it was difficult, took time. Luckily, there's something called a breadboard right here that was created where you could just take the resistor and plug it in, just like that. Pretty simple, and you could plug in the wire just like that in the same row, and they're now connected together. No twisting or gluing needed. To undo them, you just pull it out like that. Pretty simple, very important, this breadboard. Okay, so how does this breadboard work? Well, there is a convention to this. As you can see on the side here, there's a red strip. It means all these square boxes are connected together by a wire back here. So all of them are connected by a wire back here going up and down. Okay, I've shown this red up and down here. Okay, over here we have a blue up and down. As you can see, blue up and down. And back here, there's a blue up and down. On the other side, there's another red up and down and another blue up and down. Red up and down, blue up and down. Okay, so that's how that works. In between, there's square boxes, about 5 of them, and they're connected together. Like here, it says they're connected together. Now this largely shows what's going on. A boxes are connected together. C boxes are connected together, but A is not C. These boxes are not these boxes. They're not connected together. D boxes are not connected to E boxes. A boxes are not connected to D boxes. And D boxes aren't connected to F boxes. It's only as you see it, all the way down to Y or Z. Okay? Now, over here you see a better diagram of what's going on. It's labeled, by the way, a little different on here, but we're talking about the same thing. Okay? Over here, we have red boxes, blue boxes, up and down. And A boxes, D boxes, C boxes, E boxes. Red 2 and B2. Okay, they're connected together. So how does this work? Well, remember in last lesson we went over a circuit where there's a battery connected to a resistor by a wire and a wire. Well, let's do that here. Let's show how we should do that on a breadboard. Okay, so let's say we have that same battery and we wanted to connect it like this. So we have red going to a resistor. Well, we could do this here, connected to red, and because these are all connected, we could then take red out here and go here, okay? And these are all connected, so we can then go up here and over, and then we can connect it to a resistor, and then say connect that to say over here to here. And since these are all connected, we could take that and connect it to say here. Because these are all connected, we can go up here to here. And we built this circuit. Now, this circle. This is important because a lot of times when doing breadboards, things get in the way and you may need to use another box type of thing. But that's basically how it works. And this is true because of, this is true with a battery, a power source. But it's also true with signals. Say a signal like that or signal like that. It's also true. You could connect things up like that. Doesn't matter whether you're talking about power or batteries. So that's basically how this works. And that's it. I'll see you next lesson.